Good afternoon. This is Kurt from Model Railroad Collector Wiki, and today we're going to look at how to back up a collection. So let's get started here. If you're logged in, click on My Collections and click on the collection that you want to back up. In this case, I'm going to click on this one right here, Kurt's Locomotives, My Locomotives collection. Click to view it. So you can view the entire collection, all the pieces, all the items in your collection. Then click on this button right here, Export. Click on Excel, and you'll see that there's a file that's downloaded here to your local computer. If you open that file up in Excel, you will see that you have your entire collection now, all of the rows and all of the columns of information downloaded into an Excel spreadsheet. So that's all you do to back up a collection. Do this same process on all your collections and you'll have everything protected. Thanks a lot.